Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a book haul, my very first book haul on this channel, and I have not shown most of these books on my Bookstagram account so that वो आपको मैं first time यहाँ पे दिखाऊँ. And I've been collecting these books from past 4 to 6 weeks. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो एक ही वीक में आए हैं इतने सारे बुक मेल्स, बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं होता मेरे साथ कभी. बट आई हैव ट्राइड टू मेक श्योर कि मैं उनको साइड में रख दूँ सो दैट आई कैन मेक दिस वीडियो. So yes, without a further ado, let's get started. So the first book I'm going to be showing to y'all, it's this book. ये डायरेक्टली मेरे ऐसे ही घर पे आ गया. आई डिडंट नो कि ये किसने भेजा, मैंने तो नहीं लिया था एंड इट्स अ हार्ड कवर, तो मुझे पता था कि ये मैंने नहीं लिया है. So I opened it, of course, as you can see, and now I'm going to show y'all what's inside this package. And मेरे एक हाथ में मेरा फ़ोन है जिस पर मैं वॉइस रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज वो मैं अगर साइड में रख देती हूँ तो बहुत कम आवाज़ आता है. सो दैट्स वाई आई एम होल्डिंग इट हियर, राइट हियर, थोड़ा कैमरा के नीचे, सो दैट आपको दिखे ना, इसलिए मैं सब कुछ एक हाथ से कर रही हूँ. और मैंने 2 बार मेरा एड्रेस दिखा दिया था गलती से, तो इसलिए बीच बीच में अगर कुछ क्रॉप हो जाए तो समझ लेना. सो हियर्स द बुक, इट्स लवलेस एंड ओके, यू नो व्हाट, आई एम गोना कीप दिस असाइड. थोड़ा आवाज़ कम आएगा बट इट्स ओके. So here's the book. I want to show you all कि ये कितना pretty है. Like there's this, I don't know if you can see, and this is the spine. मैं पूरा नहीं निकाल रही हूँ, but it's gorgeous. Like और कोई word सूट ही नहीं करता. And it's sent by Arzu. Thank you Arzu, thank you so much. She has written, "You're on a book buying ban. I am not." That's so sweet. So thank you so much Arzu for sending me this book. I am excited. I mean, of course, I've been wanting to collect these covers. Like मेरे पास वैसे भी वो दूसरे UK वाले covers नहीं थे. मेरा ऐसा था कि जब मैं लूँ तब मैं ये वाले covers लूँ. Like the US version, I guess these are, I don't know if they are US covers or they are new covers. But I've been wanting to collect these. Like मेरा पहले से ही decided था. और उस दिन मैंने बुक स्टोर में देखा था. And I was very excited कि मुझे ये वाले कवर्स चाहिए. They are finally available in India. Thank you so much कि ये वाला बुक मुझे भेज दिया. So now I can finally start my collection of Alice Oseman's books because now I have a reason. Next book is very fall coded and I bought it during the Amazon sale and it's the Pumpkin Spice Cafe. I mean, I had to get it. Like I have been seeing this everywhere and I am a very seasonal reader. Like मुझे बुक्स चाहिए जो सीज़न से मैच करे. इवन दो इट्स 90% टाइम तो मुंबई में सनी ही रहता है एंड इट्स ऑलवेज समर, लाइक सम हाउ, बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अक्टूबर हीट, मार्च हीट, अप्रैल हीट, देन द प्रॉपर समर. इट्स लाइक इट्स नेवर एंडिंग. बट एटलीस्ट आई कैन रीड दिस, फील दोज फॉल वाइब्स एंड एन्जॉय. वैसे भी मैं कभी कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स तो पीती नहीं हूँ. आई ओनली ड्रिंक हॉट ड्रिंक्स, सो वाई नॉट try pumpkin spice latte and stuff like that. You know, basically that I love the fall season. Like I want to go to a place where there's fall, like they have fall season, so that I can actually experience it. But till then I'm going to experience them through such books. This one has a cozy mystery, plus there's a cafe, like everything, those cozy vibes. So I'm excited to read this. And can you see it has golden what do you call them, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, बेसिकली दोज गोल्ड एलिमेंट्स. सो दे आर सो प्रिटी. और जैसे ये वाला ख़त्म हो जाए देन आई विल गो एंड गेट द सिनेमन बुक स्टोर, सिनेमन बन बुक स्टोर, वो वाला बुक, सेकेंड बुक. बट टिल देन आई थॉट के पहले एक ले लेती हूँ, फिर ये अगर अच्छी लगी, मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे लगेगी, बिकॉज आई डोंट माइंड ऑल दोज बुक्स जहाँ पे थोड़ा प्लॉट की कमी रहती है बट देयर आर वाइब्स. So I'm excited to read this. बहुत बार दिखा दिया ऐसे ऐसे करके. Can you tell that I'm excited to read that book? The next book I got in Amazon sale as well. And what I have noticed is I don't reread normal books. मतलब मैं थोड़ा annotation जो होता है वो flip through करूँगी. But I don't read the entire books. Like that's not my thing. But the only book I always read is a graphic novel. Like they are easy. You can go through them quickly. And one of my favorite graphic novel is set in fall season, like it's Pumpkinheads, and I read it every single year because I love reading fall graphic novels. So I thought why not get another one, because इससे मेरा पैसा वसूल होगा, because I reread these. So I got another one and it's called The Okay Witch. Like, look at this. This is this girl's coming of age story. Like, she discovers her powers and like that. It has very witchy vibes, very magical fall vibes. I mean, जैसे मैंने इस book को देखा ना, like the art style, I loved it. So I got this. I'm excited to read this. Second वाला भी मुझे लेना था, but that was not available at a good price. I didn't get it, but I'm excited to read this one. The next book is a cozy mystery and it's part of a series and it's murderous plot. I read the previous book. It's called Sentenced to Murder and it was good. There's a bookstore. She owns a bookstore and she's also a writer. She has to meet a deadline for a book and she is trying to meet it, but there are multiple dead bodies turn up and she's trying to like ignore it, not get into that and actually write her book. But that's not the case. That's not what happens. Of course she gets pulled into it and she's going to solve these, and I'm excited to read this book because it's very cozy. I like the last book and of course I want to read पहले के भी 5-6 books जो है, but जैसे जैसे मैं एक एक कलेक्ट करते जाऊँगी वैसे वैसे I'll read because look at these, like it's so pretty, it's so cozy and I like the setting, I like the characters, so I'm gonna continue reading this, I mean this entire series. So I'm gonna hope and see if I can finish this in October or maybe in November. But yes, I'm excited to read this because this is the perfect time to read such books like cozy mysteries. So yes, the next book is another cozy witchy rom-com. I mean, I know it's a cozy witchy book. There's a romance subplot. I don't know if it's a rom-com, but that's what I have heard, that it's very cozy. It gives House in the Cerulean vibes and I'm excited to read this, and it's called The Irregular, a very secret, the very secret society of irregular witches. So Mika is a witch and she has to, they are like, these witches are in hiding, of course, their magic is a secret and she is called to teach 3 witches in a very secretive house. So she decides to go there and teach them. Again, very House in the Cerulean vibes plus witchy magic. I'm excited to read this book. I have been wanting to read this since last year, but finally this year I have it in my hands because there are some books which I don't mind reading them on audiobooks or ebooks, but there are some books which I really want like physical copies of them. I finally have it in my hands, so I can annotate it, I can draw doodles. और मुझे ये इसी month में complete करना है because October is the month when I am in the witchy rom-com mood. So excited to read this. Can't wait. And look at the cover, it's so pretty. And there's another book coming, I think it's coming next year. I'm already excited for that book and I haven't even read this book. Another witchy rom-com which I have, and I think you must have seen it on my stories because I have been talking about it. It's Revenged. It's so pretty, like look at it, and it's about self-love, magic, everything cozy, and the writing is beautiful. I'm still reading it. I have like 100 pages left. You can see it. You won't believe that this is her debut book, the author's debut book, and her writing is absolutely beautiful. It's about Belladonna Blackthorn and she is a witch in a non-witch world, so she has to hide her magic and she has to like not let people know that she is a witch. And then on her 30th birthday she gets summoned by her coven and she has to show that she is good enough to own those powers and she can keep those powers, otherwise she has to lose them. It's about her journey of self-love, self-discovery, believing in herself and her magic. So yes, it's beautiful, it's cozy, I'm loving it so far. I'm gonna continue reading it. You should get this too, like it's really good. The next 2 books are a part of a series called Chemistry Lessons, and these are The Boyfriend Hypothesis and Dating and Other Theories. So this one's Dating and Other Theories and this is Boyfriend Hypothesis. This one's I'm gonna read the hashtag. There's a hashtag, Grumpy X Sunshine. So this is Grumpy X Sunshine and this one's Opposite Attracts and Forced Proximity. All I know is that they are part of this STEM series and I read the first book, The Love Quote. I enjoyed it. I like that these are STEM books. These are re-releasing, like these are new covers because they are getting traditionally published, I guess. And I don't need to know कि इसमें और क्या है क्या नहीं है. I don't care because I am from STEM background, so I love to read STEM books. So I'm going to read these irrespective. Like मुझे फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता कि क्या है. If the female main characters are from the STEM background, I'm going to read such books. So yes, I'm excited to read these, especially because I like the first book as well. So I'm going to read these. Since we are talking about rom-coms, let's talk about another rom-com which is The Pairing. It was recently released. It's by Casey McQuisteen, the author of Red, White and Royal Blue, and it's set in Paris. I think this is a second chance romance, childhood best friends, set in Europe. It's very bright and sunny, and I mean, whenever I think about Europe, I think about summer or directly winters, like Christmas time. So since this is like during that summer time, it's perfect because, and as I said, it's very sunny here. So I'm excited to read this. I'm going to pick it on a very bright and sunny and such day because that's the case right now. So this is on my like immediate TBR. The next book I have here is called The Secret Diary of a Con Man, and it's about a heist of a con man because he's trying to do something, like he's trying to accomplish something. The heist is set in Mumbai, so that's all I want to know. And there are like diary in entries, so there are some doodles, there are some things in this book. So I'm excited to read this. Very perfect, very October vibes. Like this is what I want to read soon because rom-coms के बाद मुझे थोड़ा कुछ thriller ही पढ़ने का मन करता है. So perfect for that time. Then we have The Spell Shop. Again, a very cozy witchy rom-com. You can sense a theme, right? Like I love cozy books, I love witchy rom-coms, then I love murder mysteries and thrillers. That's all I read. September, October and sometimes in November. And the main character was working in a library and the library burns down. So she goes back to her hometown and starts a shop, which is like the front is like the jam shop is what I've heard because back पे तो कुछ नहीं लिखा है, but she starts a jam shop but it's actually a spell shop, so she is selling spells. So that's all I know about this, and again excited to read this, can't wait to pick this up. And the last book I have here, it's still packed, I haven't opened it, so I'm gonna open it right now because it came like yesterday. So let's open this. Curse Unbound, and it's set in Rajasthan. There's a love story, there are things happening, the picture is Rajasthan's backdrop. I want to read books which are set in India because I can actually visualize them. I mean, I haven't been to Rajasthan, but I want to see more of India through books to like, and I don't like to like get into the story with knowing everything about the book because sometimes the blurbs are misleading, like they just give you a small part of the book, and if you keep that in mind then you get disappointed sometimes. So I don't like to do that. Like I just need to know the vibes कि मैं क्या पढ़ने वाली हूँ. So if it's a rom-com, if it's a like I want to know the genre and the vibes. That's all I needed to know. So this is my book haul. I'm sorted till November because शायद से November तक खत्म हो because usually मैं 3 books पढ़ती हूँ, 3 physical books पढ़ती हूँ in a month. So I'll try and finish these books. And thanks for watching. If you like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and bye.